What's up, everybody? CJ from Mata INGLES right here with you. Today we have 10 English adjectives that we're going to learn. So let's make it quick. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, here we go. I'm going to try to make this video fast today. Un poco más rápido hoy. So we have, like I said here, 10 English adjectives. Let's take a look. What is an adjective? An adjective is basically a word that describes a noun, okay, a person, place, or a thing. Una palabra que se describe un persona, lugar, o cosa ya. Disculpa mi mal español. Difficult is an example of a adjective, difficult. So in this situation, working with my cousin is difficult. Working with my cousin is difficult. Difficult, difícil. Trabajando con mi primo está difícil. It's difficult. All right? Difficult. Remember, say it with me. Pronunciarlo conmigo. Say it with me. Do what you have to do to get better pronunciation. Okay? So difficult is number one. Number two, we have scared. 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 Good job. I was, so we're talking in the past, in el pasado, I was scared at the Halloween party. I was scared at the Halloween party. Tenía miedo en la fiesta de Halloween. Tenía miedo. Scared is like, tengo miedo. I'm scared. I am scared. Oh my gosh. I was scared at the Halloween party. Scared. That's number two. Good job. Healthy. Let's go full screen here. Healthy. I was not healthy last year. Healthy. Dígalo conmigo. Healthy. I was not healthy last year. No tenía buen salud el año pasado. Mi salud no era muy bien. Okay? I was not healthy last year. Healthy. Una vez más. I was not healthy last year. Good job. Strong. Fuerte. Strong. Oof. Pow, pow, pow. Fuerte. Strong. Goldberg. Goldberg was a strong wrestler. Luchador. Yo creo que es la palabra. The people in the ring. WWE. Goldberg was a wrestler. So Goldberg was a strong wrestler. He was very strong. Fuerte. Strong. Strong. Okay. Goldberg was a strong wrestler. Good job. Let's keep going. Intelligent. Like you. Intelligent. I think Steve Jobs was an intelligent man. I think Steve Jobs was an intelligent man. Yo pienso que Steve Jobs fue un hombre inteligente. I think Steve Jobs was an intelligent man. Man, hombre. I think Steve Jobs was an intelligent man. Steve Jobs was the CEO of Apple. Okay, cool. All right. Happy. I think this is an easy one. It's feliz, right? Happy. My goal in life is to be happy. My goal in life is to be happy. Mi meta de la vida es ser feliz. Ser feliz. Be happy. Ser feliz. My goal in life, sería más correcto. La meta de mi vida es ser feliz. You can correct me in the comments. That's okay. Puedes corregirme en los comentarios mi español. Pero el punto es que estamos en una lección de inglés. Okay. Disculpa mi español. Estoy intentando. Pero yeah. Happy. My goal in life is to be happy. Cool. Typical. 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 He is a typical man. Now, I'm going to say this one so you can pronounce it with me. Typical. Col. Escucha un poco eso L al fin. Typical. Typical. Típico en español. Typical in English. He is a typical man. Es un hombre típico. He is a typical man. Right? Capable. Capaz. Capable. Capable, yo creo. My boss is capable at always getting the job done. My boss is capable at always getting the job done. Siempre hace el trabajo mi jefe. Es capaz siempre a terminar el trabajo bien. Okay? Capable. My boss is capable at always getting the job done. All right? Unusual. Unusual. No es común. Unusual. It's extraño. It was an unusual night on Friday the 13th. It was an unusual night on Friday the 13th. It was an unusual. No era una noche común, noche de 13 de viernes. It was an unusual night. No era común, no era una noche normal. Muy diferente por alguna razón. Famous. Famous. Her goal in life was to be famous. Her goal in life was to be famous. Su meta de la vida fue para ser famoso. Ella quería ser famoso, famous. Her goal, su meta, in life was to be famous. Y eso es. So let's take a look at what we have. Remember, so 10 English adjectives. This is what you learned today. Difficult, scared, healthy, strong, intelligent, happy, typical, capable, unusual, famous. Those are 10 English verbs to you right there, or not English verbs, English adjectives for you right there. If you enjoyed this lesson, check out my other lessons. Check out my playlist. Make sure you subscribe to me on TikTok and Instagram. Please follow my channel for more lessons in English. My name is CJ, and that is 10 adjectives for you in English today. Have a nice day, everybody. Que tenga un buen día. Adios. And please share this video with your friends. Compartir este video con tus amigos, lo que sea. That's how you can help support the channel, by helping it grow and to reach more people for free English lessons online. Thank you and have a great day.